Hi. If you've seen my other video, my unboxing video, you know that I just received this DJI Osmo. I want to give some first impressions in another video, but on this video I thought I would do an audio test because the initial audio is, in my estimation, pretty disappointing. Uh, Almost unusable, if I can say that. Maybe someone else is having different results, but um, for me, the noise from the built-in fan is just, it's horrible. And probably in a noisy environment, a carnival or in street scenes, it would not be so noticeable, but in a quiet room, forget it, or for blogging or that kind of thing. So anyway, I'm going to test it and give you a sound bite of the onboard microphone, the external mic option using an Audio-Technica Omni powered lapel mic. Inexpensive mic, but works great. And I'm also going to bring this into the mix, which is a Zoom H6, just recording the room sound and then dubbing it in with a video. So this is a great mic. It has, of course, a different interchangeable mics on the top and a different sound profile that picks up the whole room, or you can mix a number of mics into it. So anyway, I'll give you that just real quickly. So if you're considering a DJI Osmo, you'll be able to make a more intelligent choice, at least on the audio portion, because I don't think you're going to get away without external audio in a lot of cases anyway. So there we go. So let's just check it out, and I hope this helps someone. Okay, I'm going to do a quick test of audio between the Osmo built-in microphone and this what is it? Audio-Technica Omni mic and the Zoom H6. So we are recording in a quiet room with the Osmo built-in mic right now. Now just to be safe, I'm going to shut the Osmo off and plug in the Audio-Technica. This is a test in a quiet room with the Audio-Technica mic in the position it would normally be clipped onto a shirt, 3 to 4 inches below the chin, and speaking in a normal tone of voice. So there's a lot of noise coming from the head of the Osmo. The built-in fan is running constantly, so we'll see if it picks that up or not. We'll try a few servo movements just to make sure that the servo motors aren't inducing any sound into this microphone. Okay. Triple click for a selfie. It's the mic. So that concludes the test of the Audio-Technica Omni mic. Okay, for this last test, I'm going to have to edit and put the audio over the Osmo audio from the H6 Zoom, and we will see how that sounds. Okay, this is with the Zoom H6. Okay, in conclusion, I think you can see or hear that the onboard mic is pretty noisy and muffled, not good quality at all. The Audio-Technica, I did notice, a noise floor there that I think is still probably ambient noise in the house. Sorry I couldn't give a better analysis of that. I wish I had studio conditions to test this in, but at any rate, it sounded much better than the onboard mic, and I think would be totally usable. The H6, as you could hear, picked up a lot more, reverb around the room, that kind of thing. But that's, that's the nature of that sort of a mic. It's meant to pick up everything, and that can obviously, any of these sounds can obviously be processed and edited in an audio program. But what my goal is, to follow the design plan of this device, which I believe is something that you can pick up and go, So I'm thinking that the best choice would be just a simple lapel mic, and plug it in and go, and you're going to get really good sound. The only problem is how much of the street noise that's going to pick up that you're going to want. So the jury's still out on this. I will continue to test and see, what works best in real life situations, and report back anything I find. I appreciate, as always, any comments and suggestions, and thank you for watching, and feel free, if you would like, to subscribe or like this video. Thanks again.